of all time?
The Shawshank Redemption is a classic for me.
Would you like to see a movie tomorrow?
Sure, are there any good movies?
Can you offer me any discount?
Sure, how about 10% off?
When did you come to China?
In 1997, and I have lived in Beijing for more than 20 years.
By the way, are you free this afternoon?
I am free after 3 p.m. to get coffee.
What do you mean?
English is harder than Spanish.
Have you ever tried pottery making?
Yes, it's therapeutic to work with clay.
Have you ever tried kayaking?
Yes, navigating through calm waters is serene.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy cooking and watching movies.
Is your job challenging?
Yes, but I'm getting used to it.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad cough, sore throat, and a headache.
Will you travel during the long holiday?
Not sure, some people will rest at home and some people will go to travel.
Did you finish reading the book?
Not yet, I'm only halfway through.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
I have an older brother.
What's your favorite vintage fashion item?
A classic leather jacket adds flair to any outfit.
Have you ever tried pottery making?
Yes, it's therapeutic to work with clay.
Let's go shopping after work.
I have a cold today. Let's go some other time.
What's your favorite jazz standard?
Summertime always evokes a mood.
Have you ever been to a music concert?
Yes, I've been to several, and they're amazing.
I don't like coffee.
Do you like tea?
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 4 inches. How about you?
When can I visit you?
Decide when.
We live near the sea and it is windy here.
Really? My hometown isn't like that.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Yes, it was a thrilling experience.
What are you going to do next week?
I'm going to go to New York next week.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Thailand.
What's your name?
Enrique.
How many languages do you speak?
I'm fluent in 3 languages.
Have you ever been to a music concert?
Yes, I've been to several, and they're amazing.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I'm a big fan of Thai food, especially curry.
I'd like to travel to London sometime.
If you come to London, I'll be your guide.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the steak.
What's your favorite type of comedy?
I enjoy witty and sarcastic humor.
How do you go there?
I'll go there by subway. It is quick and convenient.
Do you want to get off here?
No, I'll get off at the next stop.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yes, live music is always a great experience.
What's your favorite type of bread?
Sourdough, especially when it's freshly baked.
Do you like going to craft fairs?
Yes, handmade items have a special charm.
Do you have a good relationship with your boss?
I know I can always talk to her if I need something.
May I come over next Monday?
Yes, please come at any time.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Is this the file you're looking for?
That's right.
Is this your first trip abroad?
No, I have been to Brazil, Peru, and France.
How often does the bus run?
It runs 4 times a day.
How did you meet your wife?
We met in college.
What's your favorite circus act?
The trapeze artists always leave me in awe.
Have you been to Beijing?
Yes, but I haven't been to the Forbidden City.
Do you believe in ghosts or supernatural beings?
Not really, but I find the stories fascinating.
Have you ever tried hot air ballooning?
No, but it's on my bucket list.
Is he studying?
No, he is reading comics.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
SpongeBob SquarePants always made me laugh.
How did your brother arrive?
He came by train.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I have a soft spot for authentic Mexican cuisine.
Can you drive?
Yes, but not often.
I have been promoted.
Way to go.
Where's your new book?
It's all in my bag. You can help yourself.
What do you study?
My major is economics.
Where's your new book?
It's all in my bag. You can help yourself.
What times are you open?
We're open 24/7, we never close.
Would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What's your senior year now?
I'm a sophomore.
Would you like some more coffee?
No, thank you, I've had enough.
How would you like your steak?
Medium, please.
Do you know where my keys are?
I saw them on the kitchen counter.
Do you need any help packing?
Yes, that would be great.
Have you got something bigger?
Of course, we've got bigger sizes as well.
Have you ever tried glass fusion?
Yes, creating colorful glass art is rewarding.
It rained hard all day.
We cannot go to the park when it rains.
You are so considerate.
Everyone deserves a kind treatment.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
I should go back, it's nearly 10 o'clock.
It is still early, just stay a bit longer.
What kind of sports do you like?
I like swimming.
When did you buy the car?
This April.
You look tired.
Is everything okay?
Do you like attending poetry slams?
Yes, it's inspiring to hear spoken word artists.
Oh, your forehead is so hot.
Do you have a fever? I feel weak, and my head and throat have something wrong.
Have you ever been on a hot air balloon ride?
No, I haven't been on a hot air balloon ride.
He is not very punctual.
We made a movie date last time, but he came in the middle of that movie.
What do you plan to do this Friday?
I plan to go to the concert.
Sincere thanks for your help.
It doesn't matter, you are so kind.
What did he say?
He said he is from Canada.
What's your favorite classical music piece?
Beethoven's Symphony No. 9 always moves me deeply.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course that would be nice.
What do you think about the price?
I think it's too expensive.
Could you do it a little cheaper, please?
This is the lowest price.
Have you ever tried pottery painting?
Yes, it's fun to unleash creativity on ceramics.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
SpongeBob SquarePants always made me laugh.
What's your favorite classical music piece?
Beethoven's Symphony No. 9 always moves me deeply.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, just a 5-minute walk.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
I'm planning on going to grad school.
I'm planning to study tonight.
I do not want to study. I want to go to the concert.
Which pair of sports shoes do you want to buy?
I haven't decided yet.
How do you go to school every day?
I walk to school on foot.
Do you need a doctor?
Yes, I think so.
Do you enjoy going to wine and paint nights?
Yes, it's a fun way to unwind and get creative.
Do you like going to farmers markets?
Yes, the fresh produce is unbeatable.